welcome back to another episode of 89 Garage. In today's episode, I'm just going to be modifying a tool real fast. So I bought this Icon flashlight over the Hobo Frank, and I don't like it. I'm going to show you why. So, first off, let me just show you my Husky. This Husky here, you can turn it on, flip it backwards, flip it forwards, and it's just really easy to maneuver. The old Icon here, this is our default, which is not protected in my opinion. Not protected well enough at all. And that's your range of motion. It ain't going past that. So I'm gonna take these little screws out, try and flip it around and see if we can't make this thing a little nicer to use. Alright, before I started the video, I went ahead and pre-checked these for size, and they are 2mm. I hope this is this easy to do. I really don't know if it is. Well, she ain't really looking like it. Let's take these out, which are also 2. I don't know, maybe I gotta flip this whole thing around. Alright, I gotta push this out the back side. This is a sleeved nut. Sorry about the, I should have zoomed that out. Sorry about this moving around. Well, you gotta be kidding me. Gotta go even further, it looks like. I just did some repairs on my fridge with this thing, and boy, what a pain in the butt. Alright, so I think we can disassemble all this here. Flip this that way. Go back like this. These fine thread ones go right here. We'll just see if we can't start this screw in here and kind of suck it in. You little devil. Can't get that thing to push in. I'm just going to get some pliers and just squeeze that just a skosh. It just needs a little persuasion to get in that hole, is what I think. Okay, that's more gooder. Like that has to go that way. And this goes this way. Okay. That's easy enough. Sure it all works, moves back and forth. Okay, sweet. Now, I'm gonna stick this one right here. Alright, now, just gonna slide this feller, just like so. Alright, so I'm trying to pull down on this black piece while it's going in the blue sleeve. Alright, one more screw. Alright, there it is. You guys can see it, okay? Everything still works. I do like this light on the back. That's probably the main thing I like better about this icon over the Husky. Anyway, and the Husky's cheaper, but this thing's pretty solid. I like the way that turned out. Peace out.